Welcome back to Learn English with Class Official, where we learn real English with fun. Grab a seat, or actually grab a coffee, because today we're going to a coffee shop.
Oh no, not the coffee shop. Anywhere but the coffee shop.
Burg, what happened last time?
Okay, so the barista, that's the person who makes the coffee, she asked me for here or to go, and my brain just stopped.
Just stopped?
Completely stopped. So I said medium. She said, medium what? I said coffee. She said, what size coffee? And I said, medium.
You said the size after the drink, and then you just repeated yourself.
And then I tried to say espresso, and it came out espresso, and she just smiled at me. That polite smile that means, I feel sorry for you.
Okay. Everyone listening, if this has ever been you, freezing at the counter, mixing up your words, panicking over a simple question, you are in the right place. Today, we fix this forever. Forever? Like, I'll never freeze again? By the end of this video, you'll be able to walk into any coffee shop in the world, order exactly what you want, chat with the barista, fix any mistake, and walk out like a total pro. Let's go. Here is the magic formula for ordering anything. It's always in this order: size, then drink, then customizations. Say that with me. Size, drink, customizations.
Size, drink, customizations. Okay.
So instead of what Burg did, saying medium alone, you say, "Can I get a medium latte?"
Can I get a medium latte?
Perfect. Now, let's add a customization. That just means a small change you want, like a different type of milk or extra sugar.
So like, can I get a medium latte with oat milk?
Exactly. Size, medium. Drink, latte. Customization, oat milk. You just ordered like a native speaker.
I could do this all day.
Okay, big talker. Let's make it harder. Order this: a venti, half-calf, oat milk latte.
A venti half calf?
Take your time.
What even is half calf?
Great question. Half-calf means half caffeine, half decaf. So it's a mix. Not too strong, not too weak.
Okay, a venti, half-calf, oat milk latte. Please.
Yes! And don't forget, always end with please. It's small, but it makes you sound polite and confident, not demanding.
A venti, half-calf, oat milk latte. Please.
Let's practice a few more sizes real fast, because every coffee shop uses different words. In the US, small, medium, large is often tall, grande, venti. In the UK, it's usually just small, medium, large. Don't panic if you hear a size you don't know. You can always just point and say,
This one, please.
that works every single time. No shame in pointing. Okay, you ordered your drink, but now the scary part.
The barista asks, how's your day going?
And your brain goes blank, right?
Every single time. I don't know if I should tell my whole life story or just say nothing.
Neither. There's a perfect formula for small talk. Small talk just means light, friendly conversation. Nothing serious. The formula has 3 moves: acknowledge, share briefly, deflect with a question.
Acknowledge, Share? Deflect? Right? I'm freezing. But at least the coffee will warm me up. You staying warm back there?
Perfect. You just did small talk like someone who's lived here for years.
I feel unstoppable.
And remember, the barista isn't testing you. They're just being friendly. You don't need a perfect answer, just a natural one. Now, real talk. Sometimes things go wrong, and that's okay. Let's learn how to fix problems politely.
Like, what kind of problems?
Problem 1. They gave you the wrong drink.
This is my nightmare. I don't want to seem rude.
You won't sound rude if you use this phrase. Sorry, I think there's been a mix-up. I actually ordered a latte, not a cappuccino.
Sorry, I think there's been a mix-up. I ordered a latte, not a cappuccino.
Mix-up just means a small mistake or confusion. Saying I think makes you sound polite, not aggressive.
Okay, that actually sounds easy.
Problem 2, you forgot your wallet.
Oh no, the most embarrassing moment of all time.
It happens to everyone. Just say, I'm so sorry, I actually forgot my wallet. Do you mind if I pay with my phone instead? Or could I come back in 5 minutes?
I'm so sorry. I forgot my wallet. Do you mind if I pay with my phone instead?
Do you mind if is a polite way to ask permission for anything.
Do you mind if I use that phrase for every mistake in my life?
Go for it. Last problem, a confusing receipt. That's the little paper with the price on it.
This happened to me. There was an extra charge and I didn't know why.
Just ask, sorry, could you help me understand this charge? I wasn't expecting this.
Sorry, could you help me understand this charge? I wasn't expecting this.
Calm, polite, clear. That's it. No fights, no drama, just confidence. Okay, final piece of the puzzle, the exit. How do you leave without it feeling weird or sudden?
I usually just grab my coffee and run.
Let's fix that. Here are 6 natural closings. Number 1, the classic. Thanks so much. Have a great day.
Thanks so much. Have a great day.
Number 2, casual and friendly. Appreciate it. Take care.
Appreciate it. Take care.
Number 3, if they were extra kind. You've made my morning. Thank you.
You've made my morning. Thank you.
Number 4, quick and simple. All set. Thanks.
All set. Thanks.
Number 5, if you're a regular. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
And number 6, my personal favorite, a little joke. Okay, coffee, don't let me down today.
Okay, coffee, don't let me down today.
Any of these will end the conversation smoothly. Pick the one that feels most like you.
I think I'm a coffee shop expert now.
Let's recap real quick. We learned the ordering formula, size, drink, customizations. We learned small talk, acknowledge, share, deflect. We learned how to fix mistakes politely, and 6 ways to exit smoothly.
I actually feel ready. Like, really ready.
Week 1, we fixed the mindset. Week 2, we're going out into the real world. And we started with everyone's daily English moment. The coffee shop. Yes, you are.
And I survived it.
But, Burg, coffee shops are just the beginning. What if the conversation is even higher stakes? Like a job interview?
Oh, no.
Oh, yes. Next episode, we give you the exact scripts, word for word.
I need more coffee for this.
If this helped you, hit subscribe so you don't miss it. And I'll see you in the next one.